never heard of it. So I wasn't aware when it first started what it was. And I'll turn that TV off.
Yeah, even the backing on this carpet. Carpet doesn't like being stored.
Yeah.
And that backing, you hear that go crunch when I go, because the carpet is not new. This is now stiff and hard like a piece of wood and does not behave like new carpet. And so we're doing repair work, you've got to use techniques that you wouldn't do with new carpet.
Oh no.
Yeah, each situation's different. You're gonna... I did one that looked identical to this the other day, but I used a totally different method because the backing was in different condition to yours.
All right. It's probably newer.
Yeah, you can. This gives you an idea of the colour by looking at it now. But I've got to weld that in there.
Oh yeah, well I can't do anything about it, can
well, no, you can't do anything about the colour. Because what I'll do is I'll just give it a right old wetting here. See, saturate it like that.
A lot of people don't know what this is. I thought the cat was just pulling up the carpet on the...
Yeah, a lot of people think it's gone rotten there, but it's not. It's actual carpet beetle. And you're lucky you've only got the one spot.
Yeah, there is a couple of other spots, but I've had it treated, but they're behind curtains.
Oh, okay.
In this part of around the whole house, around the edge.
Yeah, I brought up the other lot of tools just in case I decided to use the other method, but I'll try this one first, and see if we can. Just got to turn the volume up on. Oh, just have to wait for the iron to heat up. I should have plugged it in earlier. I just didn't want to smoke your room out. It smokes a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, it's part of my job to clean up and make certain it's nice and tidy. Come on. Seems to heat up in no time when you don't want to wait for it.
That's right. That's okay. Just have to do it properly.
Yeah, it can't do anything until it gets hot. And the other thing is, people have had either their bathroom redone, and the ensuites you've got to finish it up against new tiles, or there's been a new kitchen bench and servery put in and everything, and the carpet's all been folded back. It all has to be patched in, stretched up, tucked in, all that sort of thing.
West Auckland.
Yeah, I'm based in West Auckland, but I go all over. It's easy to do, you can do it yourself, you can.
It's okay, I'll get the vacuumer out.
Yeah, but I want to stand back and look at it and make certain it all looks okay.
Alright.
It's my job to be fussy. Now that's starting to set now, that's fairly tight.
Yeah.
Another couple of minutes, you can do whatever you like with it then.
Okay. Oh, you
So
can't do
that's, no, that's it. You see, we've got away with that
Yeah.
because we got away with the small patch.